Hello, guys, and welcome. So, I'm just gonna give a speculation on Euro USD and how what I'm expecting for the month. So, heading over to the monthly time frame, as you can see, we wicked above the previous. Uh, hmm. We wicked above the previous month, so we're expecting somehow our monthly to be going bearish. But first of all, let me confirm something on the 3 month or the quarterly chart. On the quarterly, for me, on the quarterly, we are still bears. We are very, very bearish, quarterly, weekly. So, yes, go back to the monthly. Okay, so on the monthly, you can see we wicked above the previous month's high, this month's high. Okay, so we'll be speculating somehow move towards the downside, maybe towards the 50% of of the candle of March, or towards the low of the candle of March, because we're currently on May. So because we've done that, we're just gonna mark this, profile the market. We're profiling the market. For those who don't know CRT, you don't know about market profiling and stuff, this content is available on Romeo's channel, and it's also available as they've been posted by multiple people. So after this, since we have our drawn liquidity as this low over here, we are just gonna head over to a daily time frame. I've forgotten something, sorry guys. We just end over to the daily time frame. I've marked the opening time, closing time, and this one is our opening price. You see, you consider time first, after time you consider price. So the opening price is the one is gonna give us the mapping of whether you're gonna buy low or sell high. So for this one, I'm expecting to buy high. To sell high, sorry. So using time frame alignment, I'll just go straight over to my daily time frame and I'll wait for a turtle soup. So as you can see, last month we had formed this high over here, this is our turtle soup. Okay, but I need to confirm whether it is a valid turtle soup. Yes, it's a valid turtle soup because it's a thick up close candle. It's a very thick candle. Look at it, very thick. So this buy from this low to this high, it's called our Judas swing. So there were people who were buying this from here and they were holding it, and then we hit an important level or a key level. Then we had our shift of market structure, a retracement, and a dump. So as you can see over here, for those who trade ICT 2022 model, they took this one first. They took this. There was a sweep of liquidity over here. After the sweep of liquidity, we had, I don't know what's wrong with my trading view. Well, okay. After the sweep of liquidity, we had our market structure shift over here. So as they're waiting for the retracement over here, they got turtle souped and the market went back on their favor. So I want you to see this pattern also. It's a reversal pattern. 1, 2, 3. It's called a 3 drives pattern. This one is called a 3 drives pattern. In most of the cases when I'm looking for a setup, I normally look for the 3 drives pattern to be sure that my setup is gonna play out perfectly with no problems. So right here, if you manage to enter here, you just place your stop loss like 30 pips and you let it flow. So let me go back to the current. So this one is telling us that this is a strong high and we don't expect to violate it. So it makes our setup bearish, right? So let me go back to the daily time frame where we were at. Okay, so on our monthly time frame, we have already confirmed that our bias is bearish. Our bias is bearish. So as you can see, this month the way it has started, we have started with what? A turtle soup. The first quarter of the month, and we've just started with a turtle soup. Okay, but I really need to confirm if this turtle soup is valid. Is the turtle soup valid? That's the biggest question. How do we get the answer? I'll have to confirm first of all if there is a dealing range. Okay, so we have, let me check and confirm. So we have this swing high over here, and we have this swing low and swing high. So we have this purge here and we have this purge. So we have this range as our dealing range. And if you check closely, over here from this low to that high, we are currently at a premium. So I'm expecting lower prices towards this direction. Okay, so you can see these are failure swings. It's a pool of sell side liquidity. We already taken out a pool of buy side liquidity over here, right? So on the daily time frame, or when I manage to see a pool of turtle soup on the daily, I will be certain that there is a weekly CRT. If the weekly CRT is not present, then I'll be pretty sure that we are still liquidity. Okay, so in short, what I'll be expecting, since I've already seen the red flag, then this one, I'll wait for this to be taken out. Once it's taken out from there, once it's taken out like this into our rejection block, I'll be expecting dumps. Okay, but in the first quarter of the week, or I mean of the month, so you shouldn't hurry too much about selling. We know we are selling, but it's not yet time. So I will utilize the upper half of the rejection block. I mean the lower half of the rejection block, so that is somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. These are swings. They are possible swing sells. This is a very large one, so let me take my fib from here to here. Now, since I have the fib, I'll just take it, drag it to my 50%. Or let me just place it to the 0.625% level. And that's where I'll expect my reversal to occur. So we come up to here, and then that one happens. So if it occurs like that, we are bears for the month. So you wait first, because you can see this is the first high, the second high, the third high. Okay, let me see 1 hour. Yeah, for us to go bears, we must take out that high. For me, So if it occurs like that, we are good to go. Well, up to this pool of sell side. Stop loss 30 pips. We are gone. We are going hard on this. 30 pips. Let me go back to the daily. And that will be all for the session.